this afternoon too, I present to you Bruhm 15 kg washing machine, top load, fully automatic. Bruhm 15 kg, fully automatic. And this one is just for digital display. You can easily operate it. It has a manual in it, and these are the pipes of which you can connect it. This side is the soap dispenser and the comforter. So just contact Good Luck Africa Limited. And this one, the price was 9,890, but it has been reduced. And can you imagine? Guess what? The price is 4,980. Just 4,980.